Adding a fall within AutoMet Fab is simple. The first thing to do is work out the millimeter value of the fall. There are a few ways to do this. If there are elbows that mark the start and end of the fall, then look at their elevations and subtract them. The difference is the fall amount. If your drawing provides a degree value for the fall, then you can work it out in the following way. Fall distance is equal to the pipe length multiplied by the sine of the fall angle. For example, a fall of 0.6 degrees on an 1100 mm pipe is 1100 times the sine of 0.6. The fall is 11.5 millimeters. You may also see a fall shown as something like a 1 in 50 or 1 in 100 fall. In this case, you take the length and put it in the place of the 1 and carry out the division. Okay, you have your fall value, but how do we put it into an AutoMet design? Edit the component before the fall. Select rectangular coordinates. Add the fall amount to the Z box and make sure it's negative. A positive value will make the pipe go upwards in the Z direction and a negative downwards. Now you can see that we have our fall in the design. This can be performed on any part of the spool.